Hi everyone, I'm here to do an unboxing of my new phone. So here it is. It's a pre-order. So this is how it looks. Let's see. Okay. And here it is. So I got the new iPhone XS in the 256 gigabyte. So let's open it. Oh, that was fun. Ta-da! Oh, so exciting. So here it is. And it comes with the booklet right here. And here is the phone. And I got the gold. Oh, look how stunning that gold is. Oh, I love it. And it also came with, this is actually my first time owning earpods because I've had the same. Let me show you guys. I've had the iPhone 6 for like 4 years now, so this is my first time owning earpods. And then same charging cables right there. So let me show you guys how the golds differ. You see that? So this is the rose gold, which is definitely more pink, and this is more definitely a true gold. So exciting, and here we go. Let's open it. Oh. Ta-da! So how do we open this? I think this one right here. Oh. It's turning on. Wow, I'm just looking at how stunning this is. Oh. So let's Thanks so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed my unboxing of my new phone. Bye!